Hi, I'm Jeremy Hoyam. I'm one of the owners of Jake's Unlimited here in Mesa, Arizona. Our facility is a little bit different than everybody else. You have to pay an admission to come inside, but it includes unlimited food for the whole time that you're here. We're about 95,000 square feet. We have bowling and games and rides, attractions. We have a virtual reality game. This is our midway, just like what you used to play at the State Fair or on the boardwalk. We have a couple games in this area, and then we have our Elixir Bar where adults can get adult beverages. We have 12 lanes of bowling, and we also have 6 lanes of mini bowling. It's really good for toddlers, and it's a lot of fun for adults also. We have these very comfortable couches in each section. All of the tables each have plugs. You can order your food and drink to come up here. This is our Matrix Event Center. It's kind of like a banquet hall. We can seat up to 500 in rounds in here. And then right outside of here, we have our VIP bowling suites. These are our birthday rooms. They go from level 1 to 7 for our normal size rooms. And on the very end, our secret level can fit up to 100 in there at a time. This is our laser tag arena. It's 2 stories and 40 people can play at a time. More people go through this than any other attraction that we have. So this is where our other rides are. We have bumper cars, we have a carousel, teacups, a frog hopper, and then what we call our radius. All of the wording that we use in the facility has to do with arcade language, and we think that it's a similar language that both adults and kids can understand now. Our buffet is available to anybody while they're in here the whole time.
Here at Jake's Unlimited, we make cotton candy unicorn tacos. 2 cherries on top.
So that was our quick tour of our facility. We'd like to welcome everybody to come out to Jake's Unlimited. We're excited to see you, and we can't wait until you get to experience this for yourself.